Hey guys, I'm Fiona. In today's video, we will ask Engineer Wang to show us how to adjust the tightness of timing belt for EPS cutting line. According to our experience, the synchronized belt will not be damaged without special reason, but with the normal use of the cutting line, you need to adjust the tightness of the synchronized belt. Before you adjust it, you need to judge whether the synchronized belt is tight or not. There are several methods to try. You can use your hand to pull a lid. The first is no gap. Go to the side of the synchronized belt, not easy to turn, within 19 degrees for moderate. Directly by hand to lift. Lift the distance with a few centimeters is moderate. If the directly outwards lift do not move a little, that means the synchronized belt is too tight. If it can easily lift a lot, that means the synchronized belt is too loose. There is no absolute value, just a reference. When you need to adjust the tightness of the synchronized belt, you can adjust the screw accordingly to achieve the tightness adjustment. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mode, please contact us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.